not causing an upset, of just beating them straight up. We are not going to cause an upset. We are not the underdogs here. I don't believe we are the underdogs. Maybe on their paper, the papers that they write there, wherever they sit. But we are not going to be beaten by Canada. And I think all of us as South Africans, it is our responsibility to support Bafana Bafana. You already know we do not have DNA. It's just RSA here. So let us go out there in numbers and support the boys. Our support matters, right? The vibration that we give in, the energy is essential. And so that will definitely boost the boys' morale and confidence, knowing that the nation is 100% behind them. It's a pity, and it's actually shameful that there are some individuals out there. They will claim that South African football, this and that. South Africa will not win. We will be eliminated in the group stages. I'm not supporting South Africa. I'm supporting France. I'm looking at these people. I'm like, siyavelelwa South Africa. Let us support our team. Stop pretending. Stop acting like you are Europeans here. You are not a European. Support the boys. It matters. You will never hear France people saying, I support South Africa, I support Nigeria, or I support any other African team. No, they support their nations. So let us support our nation. I understand that you are entitled to support whatever you want to support.